Welcome to 650 Notre Dame Drive in the heart of Altamonte Springs. My name is Jennifer DeVivo with Lotus Door Realty, and I'm super excited to present this listing to you. We're going to have an amazing walkthrough, but let me tell you a few things that you're going to love about this home. It's a townhome and it has its own garage. It also has something that I really love, which are two master suite bedrooms. The master bedroom is upstairs with a gorgeous spa-like bathroom with a garden bathtub, walk-in shower, and you have another bedroom upstairs. Downstairs, you have a bedroom that's attached to a bathroom. So if you have a family member, mother-in-law, or if you just want to have your office downstairs with a bathroom right there, it works so well. It's a nice open floor plan. And it is what some people talk to me about when they want a townhome, an end unit. So you will absolutely love the fact that there's tons of parking around this place, because a lot of the townhome communities that we're seeing, there's just not a lot of parking. Why live in Altamonte Springs? Altamonte Springs, I grew up here. It is amazing. Incredible schools like Lake Brantley. Beautiful, beautiful parks like Cranes Roost Park that has some of my favorite festivals, art festivals, wine festivals, food truck festivals, and the Altamonte Springs Mall, full of some of the best shopping around, tons of restaurants. Another reason why you would love living here is the location is insanely good. It's a few minutes to I-4, 15 minutes to downtown Orlando, 45 minutes to the beach. So this is the place. It won't last long, guys. It is gorgeously upgraded. So take a look at the video. Let me know what you think. Call me for your private showing at 407-921-1310.